I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return by yourself. First, gather all necessary documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 and any 1099 forms you received. Also, collect records for potential deductions, such as mortgage interest or student loan interest. Make sure you have your social security number and information for any dependents. Organizing these items beforehand will make the process much smoother and help you avoid errors. Next, you'll need to choose how you'll file. You can opt for the standard deduction or itemize if your deductions exceed that amount. Many people find tax software helpful for guiding them through the process and e-filing directly. Remember, free tax filing services are often available if your income meets certain criteria. Also, confirm your correct filing status, whether it's single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your tax liability. Now it's time to complete your return. Carefully enter all your income information from your W-2s and 1099 onto the appropriate lines. Then, input any deductions or credits you qualify for, which can significantly lower your tax bill. It's crucial to double-check all your entries and calculations to avoid errors. Once everything is accurate, sign and date your return, preparing it for submission. Finally, submit your completed tax return. Electronic filing is generally the fastest and most secure method, but mailing a paper return is also an option. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid any penalties. After filing, it's essential to keep copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. If you e-filed, confirm that your return was successfully accepted by the tax authority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.